how to change the cursor size and its color as well. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Changing the cursor size and color can be particularly helpful for users who want to customize and have better visibility as well. So, it is quite easy to change the cursor size as Windows 11 provides the built-in feature. To get started with, right-click on your Start button and then go to Settings. Once the settings is open, go to System and search for the mouse settings, or what you can do is click on the search bar and then click on mouse. Once you search or type in mouse, you will see the mouse settings. Tap open it and there you will see different options such as primary mouse button, mouse pointer speed, scrolling and much more. Tap on mouse pointer, which is under related settings, from where you can change the size as well as the color. First of all, you can choose the pointer style. Once you have selected the pointer style, you can increase the size of the mouse. But before that, you can choose the color as well. Select the color from the given list, or you can choose another color as well. From the size option, you can scroll it or slide it towards the right to increase the size, or you can decrease the size as well. So after this, you will notice that the changes will occur on your arrow as well. So this is it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.